What's the meaning of capital sum? Capital sum. Capital sum.
Capital sum. Capital sum. Capital sum refers to a lump sum of money, or the total amount of money invested in a particular venture or project. The term is commonly used in financial and investment contexts, such as when discussing the initial investment required to start a business or the amount of money needed to fund a large-scale project. In short, capital sum represents the total amount of money put into a specific initiative, which can have a significant impact on the success or failure of that endeavor.